Today the plan is to drive about 3 hours northeast to the region of Cappadocia.
So this is a 13th century caravanserai, a traveler's inn built on the Silk Road trade route. So the travelers or traders could stop here and stay for 3 nights free of charge. Their meals are paid, boarding is paid, including meat. This particular caravanserai is named Sultan Hans.
Here, continuous border, and this one. This is star motif. Many artisans call this Turkish star, which you can.
So this is the inside of the caravanserai. The structure in the center is a masjid where they prayed. And then on the sides are different sections where you could sleep, stay, and that's the inner section. And then there are different rooms here on the sides as well. So we're gonna go into the inside section and see what's in there. Get the bead curtain. Ooh. It's kind of dark in here. Is this the summer section? Okay, this is this. Yeah. Cappuccino with some kind of cake.
This is more folk music that you're gonna hear right now. So this flute is called kaval at the beginning of the song. The kaval is like the national flute of the Turkish people, and mostly shepherds use it. And the shepherds play this kaval to call the sheep. And you can, we have some competitions even. These shepherds play these kavals in certain ways to bring them together, to show them the direction, or to let them to go for the cross. Of the Nevşehir town, Nevşehir city. So all the rocks under is tufa, so they can easily carve into the tufa. They can carve homes, churches, structures into the rock. So you see some examples on the left hand side already. We don't call it bazaar. This is pazar. In Arabic there is no P, that's why you call it bazaar, but we say pazar. So this is pazar.
We start for lunch at this old Greek house in a town named Senosis. This is the inside of the Greek house where we just had lunch. It's a nice, beautiful place. We've come upstairs and let's see if the lights turn on. Yep. And I think nice. Wow, look at these homes. They are cut into the rocks. The rooms are cut inside the rocks.
So this rock is tufa, which is hardened volcanic ash, and it's easy to carve into.
This is another room in here. Look at the ceiling, it's colorful. Here's another room, fully carpeted. Has a round table around which they have their meals. The low seating, nice drapes, a nice chandelier, and the ceiling is pretty good too.
Where is she living?
It's cool. One of those little, what do you call them?
Sí, el águila.
Yes.
Now abandoned. This section is abandoned. But people used to live in these rooms, houses.
Nearby Istanbul, there's another city, very called as Bursa. In Bursa, we do have our own mulberry forest, and we grow our own silk cocoons right there. She just sits on the cocoons and catches the beginning of the fibers, and see how continuously they are coming out. And when you focus on the thickness of one fiber here, can you see? One cocoon, 1 mile. She turns and starts to pull the fibers out of the cocoons. Everybody can come and feel. Touch, please. Feel the strength. Everybody thinks that silk is very fragile or delicate. This is not the reality. Silk is the second strongest natural fiber.
The fibers here are dyed from natural substances like roots, vegetables, and in some case beetles too. So this is the design of which she's making the rug down there. These are not paintings, these are rugs. Wow, look at that. All right, they're gonna try and sell these rugs to us now. Everybody's getting comfortable for the show.
Flowers. Flowers are silk.
Just like mine.
Right. Entire part of the pile is wool, and the backing is cotton. 3 different fibers.
Oh, Uzo.
But putting red color instead of blue is only one.
Rocky? This tastes like fennel and smells like fennel.
Flying carpets. Rust and fly, actually. This is the flying one. Before here, he was working at Pizza Hut. He's by the way, concentrate on the colors. Let him rotate. See the second side. And observe how dramatic color change. By the way, ladies and gentlemen, when you buy this rug, we send this boy to your house. Whenever you want, he can flip it around. Lighter side and the darker side. Captain design.
I see that.
We're going here to watch the Whirling Dervishes of Sufism.
This is a traveler's inn, very similar to the one we went to this morning. You'll see the masjid with the steps leading up to it, and also some other functional rooms.
Watch your step, your feet.
different kind of 7 different kind of herbs there.
Thank you, thank you.
Look at this.
Take a picture.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Yo was there.